Hi, I'm Dan. Welcome to Gravel Pit Road. It's October 18th. I came over here this morning to take a look at the beans to see how close they were getting ready to combine, or combine, as Ross the Oliver Man would say in his Indiana accent. And they're not ready. They're getting close. The pods are starting to, I probably could, I don't know, honestly, I don't know. The pods are, they're getting crispy. So I get here in the sunlight. I just broke that when I pulled it. They're starting to get crispy. I probably could cut them. I need to test the moisture on them. They're probably ready any day, the way they're popping open. But I don't know. I just chewed on one and I can't really tell. But I have a little moisture tester. They're probably ready. Unfortunately, my truck is not ready. But here's the interesting thing. As I'm walking over here, I'm looking at the ground, just staring at the ground. And I said, huh, that's a tire track. That is a tractor tire track. And I get closer and I said, huh, there is some corn. That is not a tire tractor, a tractor tire. That's where they, I guess, backed in and turned around and went back out. This is a combine tire track. This is a combine track. Way over there's another track. So I walk over here to the culvert pipe saying, am I imagining things? Is this an old track for me and I just forgot about it? There's corn scattered everywhere. And sure enough, look at the culvert pipe. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? A combine pulled in on my property and drove up to those beans. The combine pulled in, probably waiting for the bean head. And hopefully he realized that, hey, this isn't my field. Or he just said, these beans probably need a few more days. Now, was it a thief? Or are they just that stupid? Because that's combine right there. That, if I'm driving down the road, I'm gonna say, hey, that guy has a combine. Those might be his beans. Buddy, I don't know. We either got a thief in the neighborhood or a complete and total moron. I'm gonna lean towards moron. Not to be mean or cruel, but how stupid can we be? How stupid? How stupid? I'm at a loss for words. Thank God they didn't get it. So what I'm gonna do now, because I'm freaking out over it, can you imagine coming out in the morning to look at your crop and it's gone and you don't know who took it? And would they confess? Probably not. They just scored some beans for free. But I got some equipment. I got some 4x4s and some concrete, a post hole digger. I have a 30-foot cable and some hardware. This driveway is getting a cable across it with a no trespassing sign on it. That's where we're going with this. That's a digging machine right there. That's the way you dig a hole. It is fast.
Now I gotta do the other side.
All right, I got some excess to cut off, but that's a puny lock that could cut easy, but nobody's gonna cut it. Well, I can't believe this is what things have come to. Now, I'm gonna give the farmer a benefit of the doubt that he just made a mistake. Combine, soybeans, field is connected. I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt that he made a mistake, but this is what it comes to. This is what it comes down to. You know, gotta put a cable up, protect yourself. I gave myself room to get the mower through. I can get a tractor through, and it's the best I can do. So there you have it. That's how you build a quick impromptu. Posted. No trespassing. Keep out. Until next time. Thanks for watching.